For many small business owners, the internet feels crowded, and getting noticed online seems harder than opening the shop each morning.
When customers search online, search engines decide who appears first and who stays invisible.
SEO is the system behind those decisions, even if it feels technical or distant at first.
Many owners ignore SEO, focusing only on daily operations and immediate sales.
But customers now discover businesses long before they walk through the door.
Search engines are often the first place trust is built or lost.
When traffic is low, it is rarely random. It is usually structural.
SEO starts with understanding how people search, not gaming algorithms.
Small businesses compete locally, yet the internet often treats everyone globally.
This mismatch creates confusion and missed opportunities.
SEO basics are not about tricks, but about clarity and relevance.
Most owners only realize this after months of stagnant online visibility.
Search engines look for signals that a business is useful and trustworthy.
Without those signals, even great services remain hidden.
SEO begins with words, because words explain what a business truly offers. Yet many websites never clearly explain themselves to search engines.
This gap is where most small businesses quietly fall behind.
Learning SEO basics is less about technology and more about communication.
Once the message is clear, search engines can finally listen.
And that clarity is where sustainable online growth actually begins.
After learning the basics, many owners still feel unsure where to start applying SEO.
Expectations rise quickly, but search results rarely change overnight.
This delay causes doubt, especially when time and money feel limited.
Online advice often feels overwhelming, filled with conflicting opinions.
Many small businesses try to do everything at once and end up doing little well.
SEO mistakes usually come from rushing without a clear plan.
Constant changes can confuse search engines instead of helping them.
Progress feels invisible, making it easy to question the effort. In SEO, inconsistency weakens trust signals over time.
Early results often look disappointing, even when foundations are forming.
This is where many owners quietly give up.
Abandoning SEO usually happens before it has time to work.
Others chase shortcuts, hoping for faster visibility. Shortcuts often add complexity, not clarity.
Each change feels productive, but direction remains unclear.
Frustration grows when effort does not match results.
SEO fails when it lacks focus and
The struggle phase is quiet.
but nearly universal.
Those who continue usually do so with fewer tactics, not more.
This is the moment where mindset starts to matter more than tools.
Clarity begins when SEO is seen as a long conversation, not a quick campaign.
Small businesses benefit most by narrowing focus to what customers truly search for.
Fewer pages, written clearly, often outperform complex websites.
Search engines reward clarity because clarity helps real people.
The goal shifts from ranking everywhere to being found by the right audience.
Each page now serves a specific purpose, not vague promises.
Good SEO starts by answering real questions customers already ask.
Removing noise can be as powerful as adding content.
Structure helps search engines understand priorities and relationships.
SEO clarity often mirrors business clarity.
Keywords become guides, not obsessions.
Consistency replaces urgency once the direction is set.
SEO progress begins to feel quieter, but more intentional.
Simple routines matter more than constant optimization.
Offline clarity improves online signals as well.
That's what we do, huh?
Numbers become feedback, not judgment.
At this stage, patience starts to feel logical, not forced.
Focus creates momentum without overwhelm.
SEO aligns when actions match intent. This mindset shift marks the real beginning of sustainable growth.
Execution starts with small, repeatable actions done consistently.
Make good Friday, we're back to.
One well-written page can outperform dozens of neglected ones.
Writing becomes clearer when it is done slowly and deliberately.
Structure helps both readers and search engines follow the message.
Daily observations often turn into the best website content.
Publishing regularly matters more than publishing perfectly. SEO extends beyond the website into everyday business details.
Momentum builds when progress is visible, even if small.
Consistent effort quietly compounds over time. Early signals appear slowly, often before confidence catches up.
Updating existing content is often the highest return activity.
SEO fits best when it becomes part of the daily routine.
Customer language guides this better keywords than any tool.
Simplicity improves usability and search performance together.
Accurate business information strengthens local search trust.
Technical basics matter, but only after clarity is in place.
Planning reduces stress and prevents rushed decisions.
Clear information helps customers and algorithms alike.
SEO work blends into normal business life at this stage.
Execution becomes sustainable when it no longer feels separate from work.
Over time, patterns start to appear in what actually works.
Small gains reveal which efforts deserve continued focus. Reviewing past work becomes as important as creating new pages.
Freshness signals reliability to both users and search engines.
Online visibility often mirrors offline familiarity.
A few strong pages usually drive most meaningful traffic.
SEO improves when content supports itself through clear themes.
The best optimization often comes from real conversations. Consistent local details reinforce credibility over time.
SEO lessons are learned gradually, not in single moments.
Mistakes become reference points instead of setbacks.
Letting go of ineffective tactics creates space for progress.
Focus sharpens as experience replaces guesswork.
SEO confidence grows when results feel repeatable.
Numbers now guide decisions instead of causing anxiety.
Returning visitors signal trust built over time.
Internal connections help search engines see the bigger picture.
Progress becomes visible when effort stays consistent.
SEO lessons settle into habits, not checklists.
By now, SEO feels less like a task and more like understanding.
With time, SEO becomes part of how the business thinks about the future.
Search visibility is no longer chased, but planned for patiently.
Growth feels steadier when expectations align with reality.
Each page represents a moment of learning, not just traffic.
SEO success often looks ordinary from the outside.
The impact shows up gradually, then consistently.
SEO knowledge becomes something that can be shared.
Systems replace scattered effort as the business matures.
Online visibility now supports daily operations quietly.
Planning ahead feels possible when foundations are strong.
SEO becomes a background process, not a constant concern.
Perspective matters when measuring long-term progress.
Experience simplifies what once felt complex.
Better visibility brings better fit customers, not just more traffic.
Stability becomes more valuable than sudden spikes.
SEO success blends into everyday business life.
There is less urgency and more confidence in the process.
Long-term thinking replaces short-term anxiety.
SEO has become part of the business identity.
For small businesses, SEO basics are not tactics, but a foundation for lasting visibility.